let me show you how to create this picture-in-picture effect right in vMix. So the first thing we have to do is to import our videos. So you come to add input and go to video. Now if you're using a live video, okay, if you want to use a live feed, you can come to where you have camera. All right, so go to camera, and then you're going to select, if for example you are using a DSLR camera, you're going to see the options right here, or you can use your webcam. All right, but for this tutorial I'm going to use a video I already have on my laptop. So I'm going to come to where I have video, and then you're going to go to browse, and then just import the video you want to use for the project. Okay, so I'm just going to import the videos. I'm using these 2 videos. So we have successfully imported our videos. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is to come to where we have overlay. Now you're going to have a couple of options. The first option here is that you have the number. So this number, it corresponds to the numbers right here. These are like input tabs. Okay, so you're going to ensure that the number here corresponds to this particular number. So I'm going to choose number 1. You're free to pick any number of your choice, but I'm just going to pick number 1. And then where you have type, you ensure it is set to picture-in-picture, not full screen. It's picture-in-picture, because remember that's the effect you want to achieve. And then next up, you're going to add the effect, the transition effect you want, okay, how you want your video to come in or not. So I'm just going to leave that at the default, which is fade, though you can change it to whatever option you want. I'm just going to leave that at fade. Now, so down here, you're going to adjust it, okay, to the particular size you want. Since it's a picture-in-picture, of course, you want the other video to be smaller. All right, so I'm going to come to where I have zoom. Just adjust it. Now you can see that you adjust the position here, okay, it gives you a preview window of how it's going to look like on your main screen. So you can adjust it till you are satisfied with the size, and then you can also adjust the position as well, okay, left or right. But I'm just going to drag it down here. I think yes, okay, and then when you are done, just go ahead and click OK. So as you can see right here, this is how it's going to look like on our main window. So if you are satisfied with this, you can go ahead and go live. But if you're not, you can come back to where you have overlay and then adjust it. You can also reduce the size further. Okay, and then you can also adjust it to, I think I want it to be a bit to the side. I'm just going to adjust it like so, and then I'm going to click OK. Okay, so I think this is okay. So if you are satisfied with the way it looks, you can go right ahead and then take it to the live or to the output window. So as you can see right here in our output window, you can see that we have successfully added the picture-in-picture feature. Now, of course, you can also adjust it a bit more. So you can just click the gear icon. Let's say you're not still satisfied with the position. You can click the gear icon and adjust the position further. So as you can see that you adjust the position here. Okay, let me zoom out so you see clearly. So ensure you come to where you have position. Let's say peradventure when you click, okay, let's go over it again. So if you click on this gear icon right here, you're going to see that let's say your tab will be something like general. Okay, so what you need to do is to come to where you have position, and then you can just adjust the position of your second image or video. Okay, you can also reduce it further and adjust it. So as you can see, as you adjust it right here, it takes the exact position on your output window right here. So if you are satisfied with the way it looks, you can just go right ahead and close it. So as you can see, we have successfully added a picture-in-picture effect right in vMix. So it's pretty simple. So if you've got questions, you can leave them in the comment section, and of course I will attend to them as soon as possible. And if you found this video useful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and of course leave your questions and comments in the comment section. And of course subscribe to my channel because I post a lot of tech videos every week. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.